How to edit checkout page in Shopify. So go to your Shopify dashboard. On the left side, click Online Store. Then select Customize on the page. Now on the center part, there is a drop-down bar. So click on that and select Checkout. On the left panel, click on this Go to Theme Settings. You will then be directed to the Theme Settings panel, and in here, scroll down and select Checkout. In here, as you can see, you can add and edit banner, logo, and their position as well. Below that settings is the option to edit the background image, background color, and the color of form field. After that is the typography of the whole page. First one here is the headings, and you can also change the font for the body. And last here on the panel is the colors for links, highlights, and check marks, for gift card discounts and next step buttons, and for message and invalid fields. After editing, just click on the save on the top right corner, and that is how to edit checkout page in Shopify. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.